We'll start with a few techniques that you can use with your loved one to help improve their breathing. The first of which is called Effleurage. And Effleurage is just kind of a very superficial stroke that you can do across the front of the chest and shoulders and neck. I'll talk about it a little bit as I'm doing this. I'm using oil. Some people prefer to use lotion, but anything that has the least amount of chemicals, I'm all about that. So if you can use oils, that's even better. And the technique here is just getting full hand contact with the body. You'll notice I'm kind of starting here at the chest and then doing a stroke across to the shoulders, up the back of the shoulders towards the neck. And this stroke is about warming up the tissue so that when we get ready to do some deeper work, he's ready for that and we're not just racing right into more difficult techniques. And you can play with this. There's no right or wrong on this. You can come to the shoulders and do little circles at the shoulders. All sorts of good work to be done there, just kind of warming up the tissue as I mentioned. You can also do this from the side at the center of the chest and take it from right at the sternum, which is the center of your chest, right up towards the shoulder. You can do that both hands. You can kind of alternate one hand and the other. The biggest thing is just get hand contact with your loved one. They're gonna love it. Just one stroke at a time. And take your time with it. Really feel the tissue, the skin underneath your hand. And your general idea is that you're just trying to open, like if you think of the chest muscle running from here to here, you're just trying to lengthen that chest muscle and open some space around the chest. So Effleurage is your first action. I'll do that again on the other side so you can see it. From center of chest, across. Just notice I'm kind of shifting my body side to side here too. If you want to get technical, I'm really kind of moving this from my hips so that it's nice and easy and not difficult in my body while I'm doing it, because if it feels good in my body, it'll probably feel good for him. So that is Effleurage. That's our first action. So as you're working with your loved one here, you can do maybe 5 to 10 strokes in each area. Michael likes more, so you can definitely go longer with that if you'd like. It should be a very just relaxing, soothing part of the massage. And to recap it, basically, Effleurage just helps to warm up the muscle tissue so that he's ready for a little bit deeper work when we get into doing our next actions, which are really specific actions to help release specific muscles. So again, this is sort of your intro, just kind of getting in touch with their body and starting to warm things up so that they're ready for deeper work. Again, just have fun with it. There's no right or wrong on this, just warming up the area.